a much quicker install than the first. Just calibrated that up, that's why the light's flashing. If I click in the button here, we should get the connection back. Yeah, so this is my Kona Rove gravel bike. It's the NRB DL, I think it's a 2019 model. I haven't ridden the gravel bike yet, so I'm going to take that out, see how it goes. Well, I'm out on the second bike, on the gravel bike, and so far so good. It's a little bit of a different riding experience. I think it uses a bit less of the Skarper energy because you're on that bigger wheel. I find the motor kicks in a little bit less because I'm already doing that 15.5 miles an hour. So yeah, I'm just going to check the battery actually. So let's have a look at the battery. So just to say, I've covered 16.3 kilometers in 38 minutes and 26.1 average kilometers per hour. Yeah, I'm just going to check the battery, and to do that, just click in here. Wow, look at that. After 16 kilometers, I'm still at 3/4 battery, it looks like. Or over. I've even had a bit of brake rub on the disc. I think that was due to the new disc and using existing brake pads. So I just thought I'd come out on a ride and sort of see if that beds in a little bit. I'm just going to spin the wheel up and see how it's running at the moment. There's going to be some resistance from the Skarper, but I guess what I'm looking for is resistance in the brake rotor, which is hard to tell when the Skarper's still on. So what I'll do is check that later just to see if there's been any more bedding there on the brake. Yeah, I've got to say, it's been really convenient. I'll show you me swapping it between bikes in a little bit. I'm just out here, it's a bit noisy, there's a train coming past. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. I know that Skarper have got their charity ride on up in Glasgow today, so wishing them good luck for that. Yeah, and as always, any questions about this bike setup or the bike, do drop me a comment in the comments. Please like the video and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. So I just come back off that road gravel bike ride on the Kona, and I've got the mountain bike next to it, the On One there. Yeah, what I'm going to do is just show you how easy it is to swap between bikes. So I did 1 hour and 11 minutes, 30 kilometers, and an average speed of 25.2 kilometers per hour, and that was with not much elevation gain, so pretty flat and all on tarmac. Down here to check the battery, and we've got about a quarter remaining, so not bad at all. I definitely felt this bike was a bit more efficient than the other one in terms of usage of power. But yeah, what I'll do next is just quickly show you swapping that between the two bikes. Take it off one hand as usually possible. And just one last thing I wanted to show after the bike has been out on its first ride is that the disc is running really smoothly now.